Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we can see cloud architecture model. There are three primary cloud computing model: private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Each model has different trade-offs regarding privacy, control, flexibility, and cost. Let's first discuss private cloud. Cloud for one. A single organization exclusively use it can be hosted on premises within a company data center or managed by third-party provider. There are various pros and cons. First, discuss its pros. It provides enhanced security and privacy. Let's discuss more. The single tenant environment significantly reduce the risk of data breach from other users. This is ideal for organization with highly sensitive data or strict compliance requirement. They also provide full control and customization. The organization has complete control over the infrastructure, security, and software, allowing for more tailored configuration to meet specific business needs. Predictable performance. The performance is consistent and not affected by other tenants. Let's discuss some cons. High upfront cost and ongoing costs. The organization is responsible for purchasing, setting up, maintaining all hardware and software, which required a sustainable initial investment, ongoing operation expenses, and also skilled IT team. Increased management overhead. A dedicated in-house IT team with specialized skill is needed to manage and maintain the infrastructure, have limited scalability while scalable. It's not as seamless or infinite as public cloud. Expanding resource required purchasing, provisioning new hardware which can be time consuming and also expensive. Let's see some use cases. This is highly regulated industry like finance, healthcare, government agencies, or large enterprises with a need for absolute control over data and infrastructure always go to private cloud. Let's come to public cloud. A public cloud is on-demand, pay-as-you-go service provided by third-party vendors like AWS, Azure, GCP. Resource like servers, storage, and application shared among multiple customers, known as in cloud language multiple tenancy over the public internet. The cloud provider is responsible for all underlying infrastructure and its maintenance. Pros, cost effective. There are no upfront capital expenditure required. Organizations pay only resource they consume, making it accessible for business of all sizes. Massive scalability. Resource can be scaled up or down instantly to meet fluctuating demand without the need to purchase new hardware. No maintenance. The provider handle all the infrastructure management, hardware update, software update, maintaining maintenance, freeing up the customer IT team to focus on core business tasks. Global reach. Customer service are often available in multiple regions worldwide, allowing global deployment and disaster recovery, and also provide 99.99% of SLA. And let's consider some cons. Customer have limited control over the physical infrastructure, its location. Customer have less control as compared to private shared environment. While provider use strong security measures with multiple tenant environment can be concern for organization with extreme privacy requirement, potential for unpredictable cost. If not properly managed, the pay-as-you-go model can lead to unexpected high cost. Let's discuss some use cases. Startup e-commerce platform with seasonal traffic spike and organization that need flexible, cost-effective solution for development, testing, and general application. And later we discuss a hybrid cloud combination of private, that is on-premises data center with public cloud, allowing them to work together seamlessly. This model enables organization to strategically place workload in most suitable environment, critical application with strict compliances on private cloud, and flexible, less sensitive workload on public cloud. The private connectivity between cloud using VPN. Here also some pros and cons. First discuss pros. uh, Ultimate flexibility. Organization get the best of the world using security and control of private cloud while leveraging the scalability and cost effective of public cloud. Strategic workload placement. Sensitive data and application can be kept in secure a private environment, while other data can be burst into the public cloud to handle traffic spike, concept known as cloud bursting. Improved cost management. Organization can save money by using public cloud resources for non-critical tasks without having to invest in private infrastructure for everything. Some cons. Increase complexity. Managing and integration between environment required more complex and skilled IT team. Integration challenges. Ensuring seamless communication and data portability between private and public cloud can be technically challenging. Potential for high cost. The cost can be higher than pure public model due to combined expenses of private infrastructure and public cloud services. There are some use cases. Organization and regulated industry that need to balance security compliances with the flexibility and scalability of public cloud. The companies undergo a gradual migration to cloud, also often use hybrid model as a transactional step. Next, a new concept, multi-cloud. It is the same as hybrid, but in place of private cloud, we use multiple public clouds like Azure, AWS, GCP. We can connect together if we feel some services of Azure is good and some services of GCP good, and pricing model of some services in Azure better as compared to GCP, so we use multi-cloud model. We connect by using a different services in Azure. We use Azure Arc. In GCP is Google Anthos, and in AWS it's Outpost. To summarize this models, the choosing the right cloud deployment model is crucial for an organization. The decision should be based on careful evaluation of several key factors, ensuring alignment with business objective and operational need. Public equals to anyone can use, available to anyone like Azure, AWS, GCP. No upfront cost, flexibility, we can scale, pay as you go model managed by the vendor like as we discussed Azure, AWS and GCP. In in private, dedicated to single customer. It's not available to public. In this, we have high control, privacy, but more upfront cost and required more maintenance. Hybrid, the combination of public and private, best of the both world. The most flexibility, connect public and private. They have more complexity. If you like this video, or if you like my content and the knowledge I shared, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please share in comment your preferred cloud model and why it's work for you. Thanks.